Hi, my name is Clare and I'm the Social Media Director for Grand Valley's Public Relations Student Society of America chapter. Being a student in the public relations field involves staying digitally organized and having time management skills. With classes, work, and extracurriculars on my hands, it is important for me to keep track of my responsibilities in Google Calendar. Google Calendar allows me to color code all of my tasks, receive notifications and reminders, and extend Zoom link invites to others in advance. Every morning when I wake up, I check my Google Calendar to remind myself of what my day is going to look like. You are also able to view your calendar for the week or month, which is a great way to keep track of your time and use your time gaps to complete homework or other tasks. I also use Basecamp, which is a project management tool that allows you to schedule tasks for yourself in advance. In Basecamp, I am able to see what my team is completing and when they are completing it. I also get notifications on my phone when a task needs to be completed soon or when it is past due. Project management tools like Basecamp are essential for public relations students because it helps with reaching hard deadlines in a timely manner. Lastly, I'd love to share how I spend my free time when I need to complete tasks. When I know I have a lot of tasks to complete in a specific time period, I start out with a short meditation or breathing exercise so that I can start out with a fresh mind. Insight Timer is a great app to use if you are looking for short meditations. Then I make sure I am working in a clean and organized space. Finally, I use an app called Flora to keep myself from getting distracted by my phone. Flora allows you to create focus time segments where you are able to grow a digital tree during your chosen focus time period. If you use your phone during your focus time, you will kill your digital tree. The more focus time you complete, the larger your garden becomes. That's all for now. If you're considering a major in the communications field, such as advertising and public relations, you can use your time management and organization skills to elevate your experience and to become a great communications professional.